Hey guys, it's Malika Chia. Welcome back to my channel, or two if you're new. And today I'm doing my auntie's makeup, and it's really weird because she's 12, but like, so I think of her as my cousin. But anyways, I did my makeup and I felt like extra this morning, so I added a little heart. And she was like, "Yo, I love your makeup," and I was like, "Thank you." And then she was like, "Can you do mine?" And I was like, "Obviously, of course." So like, this is Elise.
Hi guys.
And she's from Belgium and she's leaving soon. Also, she has a channel, so you guys should also subscribe to her. And so basically, I'm going to show you guys how to do this tutorial. When I do makeup, I always start with the brows. So I'm going to do her brows, and I'm going to attempt to like not fuck them because I don't have like an other foundation thingy like in her tone. Just to make things clear, I'm obviously not going to use that one, like that would be way off. Like the skin tone is completely different. But could you imagine if I did? Like that'd actually be so funny, but like, wait, actually no, it would, never mind. So, yeah.
Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Show me.
So as you guys can see, I'm just filling them in, and then I'm just brushing them up with this brow brush. And now for the eyeshadow, I got this makeup palette in Pennies. It is called Tropical Storm, and I just thought it looks so cool. And now the first color we're going to use is this cream color here. So we're just going to apply the eyeshadow onto her eyelids.
Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me, baby. Just a kiss goodnight, baby. Just a kiss goodnight.
And now I'm going to apply some of it under her eye.
Just a kiss goodnight, baby.
I thought the brows looked a bit weird, so like I'm adding this peach color around them to like make them look more natural. Guys, I didn't even read it. It's not even called peach, it's called fresh, so whoopsie.
Just a kiss goodnight, baby. You and I will fall in love.
Also guys, I just realized I look really orange, but it's just this camera quality. Like when I look in the mirror, I'm actually not orange, so just saying. Okay guys, that was like a complete and utter lie. Like I did look orange in the mirror. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's in the past, okay? Okay, next I used this trophy color. It's like gold, and I thought it looked really cool. I also used it as highlighter for this, and yeah, I'm going to apply it now. So like when I apply it, it's like in the middle of like the eye. Well, obviously not the eye, but like you get the point. I do it straight in the middle, and then you can try to blend it, but I didn't really like, because I didn't want to mix the two colors that much. And for nose highlight, I just used my pinky and the trophy color again, obviously. Guys, don't use your pinky for this, just get a brush. I don't know where my brush was that day or what it was or why I used my pinky, but just don't do that. And then you can also blend it out a bit with a brush if that helps. Because we don't want it to be like too much, just like slightly noticeable. Est-ce que ça se voit? Ouais. under the eyelid with the trophy color again in the middle. After that, you gotta highlight the cheekbones. After doing all of that, you need to add eyeliner, of course. So the eyeliner that I use, it is called Glam Eyes, and it is by Rimmel London. And after doing that, I'm gonna apply some mascara. I don't know which kind it is, but just use any mascara. So, yeah. After doing the liner, I'm gonna add 2 dots on under it just to be extra. Actually 3 dots. I can't count. That's obviously a joke. And right there, instead of adding a heart, I'm going to attempt to do a star, and if I fail, I'll try and try again until I get it perfect. Because practice makes perfect. Like, I don't really think I'm that good at makeup, so I'm just practicing, so because it's fun. So I'm going to do it like around here. Now the last part of this tutorial is lipstick. So I got this matte liquid lipstick and it's brown. It's from Penneys, just like everything I have. Like even my jumper's from Penneys and I just love Penneys. Even the outfit I'm wearing right now is from Penneys. And that is the finished look, and to have it even more completed you need to get your cat ears, and I got both of these from Claire's. I don't remember the price, so yeah. Guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to the outro. It like disappeared. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you thought. Like and subscribe. And tweet me on Twitter, #MalikaMakeup if you did this look as well. And subscribe to both our channels, of course. Follow my social medias in bio. No link because effort. Bye!
I tried so hard and got so